You've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel or reigniting an existing YouTube channel, but your real question is, how can I make money with it? That's what I'm going to talk about in today's video. I'm going to talk about 3 different ways that you can make money with your YouTube channel, even if you have 50 subscribers. This means that you can start making money today if you start posting videos and you don't need to hit those minimum requirements that YouTube has for their YouTube partner program. That's much later. So let's get you making some money before you even hit those minimum thresholds. Most people believe that the only way to make money on YouTube is through AdSense, AdSense, and AdSense. And that couldn't be farther from the truth. Most YouTubers who are making money on YouTube and making it a full-time job are actually creating most of their revenue from non-AdSense or non-YouTube partner program revenue. And other ways that you can make that, which is why I wanted to make this video and share it with you, is that it's probably something that you already have right now that you're already selling, but you're just not leveraging the power and reach of YouTube in order to tap into a net new audience. One of the ways that you can make money on YouTube with 50 subscribers is through your coaching and your services. I was actually talking with someone last week and she has around 12,000 subscribers. And she was mentioning that she made multiple 6 figures from her YouTube content all organically. So there's a lot of power in sharing information through videos on YouTube and attracting your ideal clients. There really couldn't be an easier way, especially if you already have those products and services in place to make money on YouTube. In fact, that's one reason why I've dedicated an entire week in my YouTube Authority Accelerator Lab program so that I can teach people how to make money on YouTube easily. You can also make money on YouTube through brand deals or through sponsorships. Now, if you're already working on and already have a large audience on one of the other platforms, then you may already have brand deals or sponsorships in place. And I would say if you do, start there with the sponsorships and brand deals that you already have in place and see if there's an opportunity to expand that into the YouTube universe. If you haven't, then I would say reach out to your favorite brands. There are a lot of brands who are looking for people over 40, not just women over 40 who I typically work with, but also men over 40 that are looking for our demographic to sponsor or promote their products and services. So if there is one that you're very passionate about or something that you really enjoy using or talking about, reach out to them and see if there's an opportunity to help them get more reach, but then also put a little extra money in your pocket. The only caveat to using brand deals and sponsorships is that when you're uploading your video, you do have to make sure that you mark the paid sponsorship in the process so that anyone who's viewing your video for the first 10 seconds, they'll know that there's a paid promotion within your video. It's just showing full transparency, which we're all wanting to have. You can make money on YouTube with affiliate marketing as well. Affiliate marketing is when you essentially get a commission by selling or promoting somebody else's product. So an example would be in my videos, you may have heard me talk about Opus Clip or Descript or V.io. These are products that I really like, I use, I share with other people because they're simple to use. All 3 of them actually incorporate AI into them, which is going to simplify and give you time back in your schedule. So when I find products and services like that that I use and I think my clients or other people might find benefit in as well, I will talk about it. If I share the link, then they are open to clicking that, using it, and if they decide to purchase it, then I might make some commission on that. So it's a way that you can look at products and services that you're passionate about. There might be some that you're already talking about. And if so, talk to them, do a Google search, see if those are available for any type of affiliate marketing dollars. And then you can find ways to incorporate it into your videos so that you too can make money from the affiliate links. All 3 of these are ways that you can make additional revenue through your YouTube videos. The key is to strategically incorporate them into your video content. That will require you to plan your videos ahead of time that's just going to maximize the opportunities for you to make money. You don't want to, however, create an entire video where all you're doing is promoting and talking about a particular product unless you're actually walking through a tutorial or showing how you can use it, the benefits to the end user, and the focus is more on the value and how you are helping other people versus, hey, here's a microphone and you have to buy it. It's an affiliate link in the description. Here's the type, here's the sound, here's how much it costs. You got to get this. Like, that is no. Nobody wants to watch a video like that. So that's why it needs to be strategically placed in your videos and why it's so important to plan your videos ahead of time. You're just going to create more opportunities for yourself to make more money by doing it that way. Now, let's get into the 3 monetization tiers that are available through the YouTube Partner Program. The first monetization tier in the YouTube Partner Program is YouTube Shorts. And the reason why I separated this out is because the numbers for YouTube Shorts are so much different than the numbers for traditional videos. If you are focusing 100% on YouTube Shorts, or it's a large percentage of the type of video content that you're creating on YouTube, this is going to be really important for you. I will preface it and say that what I've seen and researched is that you don't make as much money per view with YouTube Shorts as you do with your landscape traditional YouTube videos. If you're creating videos that are going viral and you're seeing a lot of revenue come in from them, then I highly recommend keep doing that. Even if you're creating those videos on TikTok or Instagram Reels, try them for YouTube Shorts, see what happens. The first part of the YouTube Shorts monetization tier is 500 subscribers and 3 million watch hours. Once you hit that threshold, you will be eligible to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Once you're approved, then you'll have access to those tools to help you monetize your YouTube Shorts. The second part to the first monetization tier on the YouTube Partner Program with YouTube Shorts is hitting that 1,000 subscribers benchmark and 10 million watch hours. They all have to be public watch hours. And both of these, in this case, need to be within a 90-day period. So YouTube Shorts, typically you're going to be making on a more regular basis. You could be doing them daily. You could be doing them 3 or 4 times a week. Maybe you're doing them more than once a day. That's how you're able to achieve those numbers within a shorter time frame. The second YouTube monetization tier is reaching 500 subscribers and 3,000 public watch hours. You will also need to have at least 3 videos uploaded that are available to the public. Once you've reached this milestone, you will then have access to memberships, live stream chats where you might have seen super chats, and then you'll also be open to sharing your shopping where you might see merch listed underneath a YouTube video. This tier wasn't always available. YouTube did introduce this in early 2023 as a way to help new YouTubers and smaller channels reach a milestone that's going to help them earn more money and get them a step closer to hitting that top tier, which I'm going to talk about next. The third YouTube monetization tier is the one that most of us think about and most of us hear is the only way that you can make money on YouTube, which is not the case, obviously, because I've talked about all of these different ways that you can make money on YouTube without hitting this tier or this milestone in your YouTube journey. So this tier, which is the top tier, is having 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours within a rolling 365 days. You do also need to have those 3 videos uploaded that are set to public as well. Now, once you hit this tier, you also have everything else available to you that I've talked about. You also then are eligible to add the ads into your videos. You do need to have videos that are at least 8 minutes long, which is as of the recording of this video. Any videos that are at least 8 minutes long, you then can place an ad that you get paid on. And that's what most people think about when they think about how you get paid on YouTube. It's all about AdSense. And so now you can see through all these different ways that AdSense is really that top tier but it's really the icing on the cake because you've already done all these other things or had opportunities to make money in all these different ways. I want to note too, just in case you're wondering, what does that look like when you start making money? On average, YouTubers make anywhere between $1 and $3 per 1,000 views. So if you're wanting to compare that to anything else that you're doing, you'll have those metrics to look at as well. Now you can see how many different ways you can make money with your YouTube channel. You don't need to be in the YouTube Partner Program. You don't need a massive audience. You can have 50 subscribers. You can have a small audience. You can just be starting. It's all about strategically placing and planning out your videos ahead of time and leveraging what you have access to already. If you're wanting to know a little bit about that Opus clip comment that I made, you've got long videos that you want to create into short clips that get attention, then you'll want to watch this video next because I walk you through how you can use Opus Clip in order to take a long form video, use AI without you intervening at all, and automatically create those clips that you can use on any of the social media platforms. It's a game changer.